It's day 1 in the ICOF hospital. Colin and Fred have both had surgery. Colin is using his incentive spirometry and coughing and deep breathing. Colin is brushing his teeth and using the mouthwash. Colin understands ICOF as he went to surgery school. Colin gets up out of bed. And when he's in bed, he keeps the head elevated. It's day 2 in the ICOF hospital. Colin is still doing ICOF. Fred is feeling under the weather. He's been prescribed oxygen and antibiotics. It's day 3 in the ICOF hospital. Colin is happy. He's packing his bag to go home. Fred is on a ventilator in the intensive care. The moral of this story is ICOF reduces the risk of chest complications after surgery.